Hello, this is our HPEDM manual track. Yeah, the diameter is 100 mm. It's CNC-600.28 manual track. It can be used on machine spindle or CNC machine table. The accuracy is very high. We have it up to 2 micro. We have the test report. How to use it? Use the short drawbar fixed on the pallet 70 mm or the pallet 54 mm. Okay, fix on the drawbar, then put it on the track. Yeah, put it on the track. Okay, it's tight, then use wrench 5 mm, then fix it tight. Okay, look it. It is okay. The same as on the steel holder, fix it on the same way. Thank you.